how to save your game in R.E.P.O today. I'm breaking down how to manually save your game progress in R.E.P.O so you don't lose everything when you die. The game autosaves when you start a level or create a new save file. But if you get wrecked, that saves is gone for good unless you know this trick. Let's dive into the steps to back up your save file the right way. Here we go. First, open the search bar on your computer, type in percentage app data percent and hit enter. You will see a folder pop up. Click on it. Now go up one level to the app data folder, then heads into the local load directory. Inside local load, look for the semi work folder, then open the R.E.P.O folder, and there's the saves folder where your current game's progress lives. For example, if you just started level 1, you will see that save file right there. To protect this save file so you can reload it even if you die, here's what you do. Select the save file, hit Ctrl+C to copy it, then right click in an empty space in the same folder and press Ctrl+V to paste to duplicate. Don't rename this copy as it could mess things up or corrupt other files. So next, to keep things safe, right click the copied file and select cut. Go back one level to the main R.E.P.O folder. Right click in an empty space and hit paste to move the copy there. This keeps it separate and safe. Now, if you die and lose your save file, no stress, just head back to the R.E.P.O folder, grab that backup copy, drag it into the save folder and delete the old corrupted save file. You are back in action with your progress intact. And that's it. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.